Hello and welcome to the Redhill Strings Project violin videos. I'm Mrs Hastings.
And I'm Miss Chippendale. So today we are going to show you how to play simple syncopation from the jazz suite that you've been learning. So this is the first section from simple syncopation from the beginning up to letter A. So before you start, make sure that you're holding your bow nicely with a bending thumb. And if you're a violinist or a viola player, with your little finger on top, and make sure that your left hand is ready because you will need that first finger. Here we go. So A, rest, A, rest, D, rest, D, rest, A, rest, A, rest, D1, A, rest, A, rest, D, rest, D, rest, D1, rest, 1, A. So that's your part. Now, with Mrs Hastings, we're going to play it as a duet, how you will hear the string group playing it with you. One, two, three, four.